Welcome to the official start of the 2025 roller coaster season. Kennywood this morning for the media preview of the season. They're going to show us all the things they've done in the off season as far as updates, new themed areas. We're going to talk about the new Easter event that they have coming up, with opening weekend being just next weekend, days away. So excited. Can't wait to see the new themed kids area. Hopefully get a good update on Steel Curtain, because that's what obviously everyone wants to know, what's going on with Steel Curtain. So we're gonna get all the updates. We're gonna find out everything that's happening. In typical Pittsburgh fashion, it's overcast and threatening to rain. So we have like severe thunderstorms in the area. So hopefully we can avoid all of that and stay mostly dry. But media day is usually very, very rainy. Can't wait to get into the park, see everything that they have for us. Let's go. Extreme Thrills. Are you excited to be back at Kennywood?
Yeah, I'm excited. It already looks nice. I really like these.
I was gonna say, these Easter eggs are amazing. Look at these things.
Kennywood's 2025 Media Day. We're really excited to have you here today.
A lot of work getting ready for our 127th season. We're opening on April 12th, next Saturday, so 4/1 in Pittsburgh, very Yinzer of us. It's actually the first time that we're opening April 12th since 1931. And we're getting ready for our longest season ever. So we start April 12th and we run all the way through January 4th. 26 and we wrap up all the months. So we're excited for the longest season in Kennywood's history.
Chocolate bunnies, anyone? Oh my gosh, they look so cute.
Coming right through the tunnel and even at the main gate, the whole park kind of has been transformed for the new Eggcellent Celebration event. You'll see that carried throughout. Kind of the main midway will go down, and then Kennywood Junction is the kind of home to the new event. So a lot of the activations will be there. We have over 150 giant Easter eggs around the park, more than 75 giant chocolate bunnies, more than 2,000 feet of fake grass, which you'll see in various places. And we also have one 6-foot tall Easter bunny that you will probably be meeting later. So we're excited to show him off.
So just walking in, the park is so cute. They've got literally hundreds of Easter eggs, they said, spread all around the park, which is so much fun. Love all the bright colors and the bunnies. Oh look, there's eggs by Jackrabbit. Cute.
The royal eggs.
I know you're all anxiously awaiting updates on the Steel Curtain. So our most up-to-date and official statement as of today is the Steel Curtain will make its grand return this season. The work to add the additional columns to the ride is approximately 90% complete at this point, and the 2 trains have been added back to the track. Next, our team, in partnership with third-party experts, will begin several rounds of test runs. We're excited. Our guests may even see these test runs during their first visits to the park this spring. We know you're all anxiously awaiting an opening date. As soon as testing begins, an opening date will be announced. That is all.
We're really excited to bring the Steel Curtain back this year and have everybody experience it. So when it debuts, we will also be debuting a brand new logo for the ride, which we are going to unveil right now. So it's just an updated version, brings it to life a little bit. You'll see that kind of integrated throughout the park.
steel curtain sign needs some new supports, just like the ride. Can you spot them all?
I don't know. Mark, do we know how many new support columns have been added to the ride?
We don't have a number, but that's, you know,
Quite a few.
okay.
All right, so there's your mini steel curtain update. Lots of supports have been added. Trains are on the track. Brand new logo for the year. No opening date yet though. Sounds like they're very, very close to actually running test runs and things like that. So as soon as we get trains running on the track, then it sounds like we should have an opening date. Sounds like we're very, very close to steel curtain being back. Can't wait. Thomastown is no more. The entire area has been rethemed to Kennywood Junction. Excited to see how everything has been updated in here.
So we're really excited to show everybody the newly themed Kennywood Junction area. This area is place tribute to the old steel town neighborhood in Pittsburgh. And you'll notice that there's a lot of different characters throughout this area. And in addition to literal Easter eggs, we also have some hidden references and historic Easter eggs throughout. And our guests will be able to explore and find throughout all the attractions. One of the two guys in this area that we had a real opportunity to utilize some of our beloved costume characters. So everybody knows Parker, who's our wayfinding friend. So Parker has his own ride now called Parker's Cloud Cruisers. You can see Pilot Parker up top there. And this is a ride, like I said, families can experience together. The second ride that we have themed to one of our costume characters is Kenny's Cargo Drop, which is a family-friendly drop tower. Right now, it's the only ride that is themed to Kenny in the park. So we're excited to have him introduced here and represented in Kennywood Junction along with the partners. So they were just kind of fun characters that we were able to integrate into this space.
You can see his little head actually.
Yeah, you can see Kenny.
He's very cute.
Manning the crane. Old Kennywood Railroad is kind of the crown jewel here in Kennywood Junction. We are excited this year to offer two different engines for our guests to experience. We have the brand new Kenny Express, which you can see right there. And we also are bringing back fully converted gimbal squire. So the gimbal squire was introduced in 1939 for the fair. It came to Kennywood in 1945. We've got a lot of questions about what guests are going to see while riding the old Kennywood Junction. We'll have a narration talking about Kennywood's history all the way from 1898 up until our 125th celebration that we just finished up. You'll see different artifacts as well, launch boats, turnpike cars, kitty Cadillac cars. There's some other surprises that we don't want to display just yet, but guests will be able to kind of relive some of those memories that they created here while riding this ride.
All right, so the new Kennywood Junction is looking incredible. Oh my gosh. So much thought, so much detail, so many bright colors, so much fun. Pretty easy to say that going to meet Tuft next Saturday is going to be the highlight of my children's day. I think my daughter might want to kidnap him and bring him home, so we'll have to see how that goes, but he's adorable.
Kennywood Junction and Eggcellent Celebration that are kind of the two big new things that we have this spring. But we're going to have new and exciting things all summer here. So, in addition to the return of the steel curtain later this summer, we are also going to have new extreme stunt shows. So if anybody remembers the Nervous Knots from last year, they are coming back with the original Daredevil Circus and the Water Jetpack Flying Circus. So we're excited to bring those back in June and July. We also have our Bites and Pints Food and Drink Festival, which will feature 2 brand new countries this year, with Cuba and Spain are going to be, you'll be able to taste different foods from those countries, some alcoholic adult beverages, and we're really excited. Last year, we had our first ever drone show here in Kennywood. It was a huge success for us. It was something that our guests really loved. So we are excited to announce that we are going to have 9 straight nights of drone shows in July, starting July 11th through the 19th. In addition, we're going to have 4th of July weekend fireworks, and it's all going to be wrapped up in a new event called All American Summer.
It's just really nice to see that Kennywood is taking all of the fun and exciting things that they kind of debuted last year and the year before and really building on it and bringing things back and making things better. The 2025 season is going to be the best yet. Obviously, we're very prejudiced because Kennywood is our home park, but we love it here and we love to see all the care and the thought that's gone into managing the park over the last few years. It's really fantastic.
Appreciate you guys hanging out with us. I'm going to send everything out via email as well to everyone that RSVP'd through that Google link. If you have any additional questions, any follow-up questions, feel free to reach out to me via email. You all have my contact info. We'll send the media kit around in that release as well. But thank you again for joining us.
We're heading out of the park. Fantastic event as always. Love to get a sneak preview of what's happening at Kennywood, what is coming down the pipe. They have some amazing events in store for this year. So excited to get back into the park, so excited to have our evenings back at Kennywood again. Obviously we love being here, so lots of very exciting things to come. We'll see you in a little over a week. Oh, last but not least, Derek got a chance to talk to Ricky, who's the GM of Kennywood, and he was asking him some questions about Herschend, because obviously we know that Herschend has purchased Kennywood along with other parks. He was extremely positive about this upcoming purchase. He said a lot of things have to happen before it is completely finalized. He said nothing will change as far as this coming season at Kennywood. Everything will stay as far as events and operating schedule and things like that. He said everyone is very, very excited for Herschend to come in and make this purchase. Obviously, we love Hollywood and Silver Dollar City, so we have very high hopes that this purchase is going to be very positive. Very excited to see what's in the future as far as that goes with Kennywood.